Hello, my name is Ariana. Today I'm going to go to some beautiful places. I got Jenny with me to go to the beautifulest place ever, but I wish I had some travel gears. I wish. What's this? What's this? It has so many things in it. Let's now unbox it.
So this box comes with a travel case, a toiletry bag. What are these?
These are shampoo and conditioner.
Some sunscreen,
Some
toothpaste,
toothpaste, a brush, a brush holder, and
some floss, travel pillow. What's that?
Oh,
It's a travel tag, along with a boarding pass, passport, some tickets, and what is this? World map, so we can travel all around the world.
OG candies.
And what is this? These are the foods that we get in the flight. A cup with spoon and fork, some macaroni cheese, some ketchup and mustard sauce with the bread and some fruits. So what else do we have here?
OG candies, crackers, a camera, some chewies, and a pen and a journal.
And I can see some stickers also here.
That's where we're going to. All the places.
Oh, so they have the flags and the...
So we're here.
Oh, we are in Australia. Correct. So now let's unbox this and let's start traveling.
The packaging was very hard, so do consider adult help. Danny, are you excited to open this all? I'm excited too. This tape. Now I opened it. Some chewy gum, a big suitcase. It could also open. There's some toothbrush, a pen, a camera, some sunscreen, conditioner. A little brush, some floss, a toothbrush holder. It's where you put your toothbrush inside and then you close it. A bag, crackers. There's a label, some stickers, some gummies, a journal, a fluffy to put on your neck and when you sleep. So this is the food. This is the journal with the pen. There's a camera. There's a picture of someone, some American Girl doll. There's a
Toiletry set.
there's some
So you can put the toiletries inside the toiletry bag.
yeah.
With the toothbrush, the toothpaste, the shampoo, the conditioner,
A floss.
the floss. I don't know if you should put the sunscreen.
Yes, you could. Not the sunscreen. That's all the stuff inside. Jenny, let's pack our bags now. We're gonna travel. Passports. Inside it's also glittery. Some chewing gum. World map. Some candies. Crackers. Sunscreen. Camera. A pen, and a journal. And that's it. Let's close bag. And Jenny, let's put this on you so we can go. Okay, let's travel to USA to see Ryan. Bye. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Now let's go, Jenny.